Is light a stream of particles traveling in a perfectly straight line, or is it a wave rippling through space? In physics, the fascinating answer is both. This dual personality is the key to understanding everything from a simple reflection to the most advanced optical instruments. Let's start with the straight line model, known as geometric optics. It's simple and powerful. When a light ray hits a mirror, it bounces off. The rule is easy. The angle it comes in at equals the angle it goes out. That's the law of reflection. But when light passes from air into water, it slows down and bends. Think of a straw looking broken in a glass. That's refraction. By mastering these two rules, we can shape mirrors and lenses to bend light exactly how we want, focusing it to form clear images. But light is also a wave, and when waves meet, they interfere. Imagine two waves perfectly in sync, their crests aligning. They combine to create a bigger, brighter wave. That's constructive interference. But if one wave's crest meets another's trough, they can cancel each other out, creating darkness from light. That's destructive interference. This wave behavior also explains diffraction, the reason light can bend ever so slightly around an obstacle, preventing perfectly sharp shadows. So why do both models matter? We use the principles of geometric optics, the straight line rays, to design the lenses in our microscopes and telescopes. But it's the wave nature of light that ultimately determines the physical limit of what those instruments can actually resolve. We need both understandings to get the complete picture. From the way your own reflection looks back at you, to the technology that lets us peer into distant galaxies, it all comes down to the fundamental dance of light as both a ray and a wave.